Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Who's speaking? Can I help you?
This is Ahzee speaking. Could I speak to Nidhi, please? I'd like to speak to Nidhi. I'm trying to contact her.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Shirpur.
Are you sure you have the right number?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Hold the line, please. Nidhi, Nidhi, your phone, please.
Wait, please, just coming.
Thank you. Hello, Nidhi speaking.
Good morning, how are you, Nidhi?
Good morning. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm also fine. How is your family?
They are fine. And your family?
They are also fine. How is your life?
It's good.
Well, Nidhi, is it alright if I take your camera for 2 days?
Okay, you can.
Okay, have a good time. Bye.
Okay, bye. Take care.